Production and components of the first sound. Although as many as 4 components of the first heart sound can be demonstrated by special recording techniques, the major audible components are related to mitral and tricuspid valve closure. Mitral M1 closure is the first audible component of the first sound. It normally occurs before tricuspid T1 closure and is of slightly higher intensity than T1. The mitral component is heard best at the apex, although it is discernible at any of the sites of auscultation. Since it is a high-frequency sound, it is heard best with the diaphragm firmly pressed. Tricuspid T1 closure is the second component of the first sound. It has less intensity behind its production and may only be audible at the left lateral sternal border. A split of the first sound occurs when both components that make up the sound are separately distinguishable. In a normally split first sound, the mitral and tricuspid components are 20 to 30 milliseconds apart. A split of the first sound is heard in about 70% of normal subjects and is heard best at the LLSB, with the diaphragm firmly pressed.